Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech House. Today we will show the flagship smartwatch, the Huawei GT5 and Huawei GT5 Pro. Let's see this full video. First compare the body features. Both two watches come with 518 water grade. Display features. Both the smartwatch come with AMOLED display. Next, compare the battery features. Huawei GT5 comes with up to 14 days and 7 days of battery life, and Huawei GT5 Pro comes with up to 14 days and 7 days of battery life. Let's compare the connectivity features. These smartwatches include Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth 5.2 and NFC. Next, compare the sensor features. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.